Babe, wake up. Babe, wake up. What? Dan, come on, get out of bed. Why? It's like 1 in the morning. I got us a pack. It's coming. It's being delivered. Also, it's not 1 in the morning. It's almost 1. It's almost 7 in the morning. Oh. Well, fine then. I'll just go and get filled. Oh yeah, watermelon is so nice. Finished. Good. Now we need to wait. Okay. How long do you think it's going to take? About 12 minutes or something like that. 5 minutes? That I would freeze to death in 5 minutes. No, they said 5 seconds. And I have no idea what pet it is. Oh, okay. So it's a mystery pet. Yeah, basically. Is this where Dan Boston lives? Inventor. Yes, I'm Dan Boston. You can sign this contract. Thank you for ordering from Pets. Bye. Okay, let's take you out of your cage. Oh, it's gonna look so cute, Bob. Dan. Sorry. Oh, look at it, it's a little hamster. Oh, yeah, so cute. Oh, yeah, popcorn. Aww. You can sleep in your cage. Okay, Miss. Okay, Mrs. Mama. Just call me Mama. Okay, Mama. Thank you for ordering me, dead person. Not dead. Thank you for ordering me. That's fine. I've been in that cell because I grew up in there. Nobody liked me. Now you ordered me that I can run around free. Whee! Okay. Here's your cage. Hey, a popcorn. I know that. Okay. So you're just going to sleep, is that fine? Yeah, it's fine. So when it's cold, you can sit in there. When it's warm, sit in there. Okay, we're just going to have our breakfast. So you stay there. Okay, we've had our breakfast. Do you want to go somewhere? I really want to see the pet gallery. It looks so cool. Okay, then we will go and see that, and Dan can just stay here. Bye, Dan. Bye. Let's go.